Wow, isn't she beautiful? Look at this 2019 completely redesigned 210 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Beautiful hull color. It is oyster gray with the all-new Mercury 200 4-stroke. It is a naturally aspirated engine, and this boat is loaded with options. It's got the upgraded leaning post with livewell underneath, full cushion package with removable backrest. Is a great feature that Whaler has added this year. You've got the chrome Boston Whaler logo with gray pinstripe. Extended swim platform here, makes boarding very easy. JL audio system. Flip up back seats here. Makes for a very comfortable seat. And even a nice little touch here of teak. And again, this has a hard top. Completely redesigned hull. Come see us at the boat show. Emerald Coast Boating and Lifestyle Show out at Pier Park, Errant Besant Park. We would love to see you. Ask for Jay.